Arghon, I need a recipe.
I have broken down my thousands of recipes into the categories below. In addition, you can find for a recipe by saying I need all or part of the recipe's name. Please select a category and to see its recipes. 1. Vegan recipes for the vegan diet. 2. Vegetarian recipes, none meat and fish meals. 3. Gluten-free recipes, meals without gluten. 4. Dessert recipes, cake.
Dessert recipes.
Please select a recipe and I will give you options for it. Another search can be done by saying, I need all or part of the recipe's name. 1. Ice cream lasagna, servings, 9. Preparation time, 6 hours 59 minutes. 2. Chocolate stuffed eclairs, servings, 12. Preparation time, 1 hour 21 minutes. 3. Cranberry orange muffins, serving.
Cranberry orange muffins.
Here are the ingredients for cranberry orange muffins. 2/3 cup granulated sugar plus up to 1 tablespoon for topping the muffins. If desired, half cup milk, 2 large eggs, at room temperature, 2 cups unbleached all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon grated orange.
Add ingredients to my grocery list.
The ingredients has been added to your grocery list. Recipe saved to my memory. To access this recipe, say, open saved recipe. To go on to the next step, say, next.
Thank you, Arghon.
Is there some other bit of information about this recipe you need?
No, thank you.
Alright, whenever you need a recipe, ask me. I would be glad to get one for you.